Hey, I dig around a bit and recover parts from circuit boards when I can, just for projects coming up, and fix old radios and stuff. This is a pretty good way of getting parts. Instead of, you can solder with your soldering iron, solder suck, get them off. It's a lot of fiddling, Sometimes some solders are way better to do that with than others. This particular board, real pain in the ass to use a soldering iron on. So, what we're going to do is use a heat gun and a hand. What will we do first? The initial one's a little longer than the others. The copper on the board's got to suck up the heat. You can do it with your bare hand, but after a while get a little hot, so a glove or something saves the pain. Not there yet, a little wiggle. Oh, get it elastic on, makes it a bit harder. Now the one below, let's try and get this one out. It's got 16 solder holes. These things are hard to get out with the soldering iron. We'll wait for that to heat up. You can see underneath, no damage to the cap. Some I did earlier. Relays. Now pretty good. Those two missing pins were missing in the factory. So yeah, you can see how long. It didn't take me long. It would have taken me way longer to do that with a soldering iron, and especially these things. Oh, so hard. Bit of damage. If you're in a bit of a rush, you can do that. Otherwise, keep the heat gun back a bit. You won't get any of that. And don't sniff this stuff in. Make sure you're well ventilated. Don't do it inside. These coils and things, you may or may not, they might not be the Henrys that you need, the micro Henrys, but there's a ferrite core in there and you can wrap your own. Around here, ferrite cores are hard to get unless you go online, but anyway, wait. Oh, cool. I'll finish this off and I'll let you YouTubers go back to business.